Hello, welcome to another session of Martin's detailing blog. So today what I'm doing is I'm giving the glass on my X3 a deep clean. So I've washed the car, I actually gave it a decon wash, and I've gone over the windscreen with some iron out and a clay pad and rinsed it all off, and the car is all nice and clean. The windscreen's nice and clean. Now we're going to give it a deep clean, and we're going to give it a bit of a polish. So let me show you what it is we're going to put on it. So I'm going to put Built Hamber Review glass polish, and I've got a little cordless polisher, Shine Mate polisher, little 3-inch that I'm going to use. And when I've done that, I'm going to clean the glass with Built Hamber Traceless, and when we've done that, we're going to use Angel Wax Exodus coating to put on the windscreen. It says it's 2 years, but that's you take that with a pinch of salt, because it depends how often you drive the car, depends how often you use the wipers, whether it's raining. I'm not bothered about it lasting 2 years. So there we go. So Built Hamber Review to polish it and clean, give the windscreen a deep clean. Then we're going to go over and clean it with Traceless. Then we're going to apply some Angel Wax on it. So without any more of ado, let's get stuck in. Now, you don't have to use a machine polisher. You can use a polish it by hand if that's what you want to do. But I thought I'd use this. So don't need to put any pressure on it, just enough to stop the machine bouncing around. Just do manageable pieces, and like always, what I say is this isn't a how-to video, this is just what I'm doing. You may want to do it totally different. Oops. Now this is only a polish. This is a clean. It's not correction. You can't correct glass easily, and I wouldn't even attempt to. This is just a case of just giving it a deep clean. Let's go and get myself a cloth and wipe that off. I always find it's better to turn the camera on before you start trying to film something. Wiped half of it off without turning the camera on. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you guys to bits by filming me doing that across the whole windscreen. You've seen me do it. There's another bit here. Then I'm going to do 2 bits over there, go around the other side and do some over the other side. Okay, so I've now gone over the whole windscreen with the review. Now, as I said, as I always say, my videos aren't how to do videos. They're just, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm up to today. If you want to see how maybe the best way to do this, or the proper way to do it, is I'll put a link in below the video to John from Forensic Detailing. He has some great videos on there, and I'll put a link to one of his videos where he shows you using this review from Built Hamber. So have a look at the link below, see how you do it properly, but this is what I'm doing, this is how I'm getting on with it. Okay, so I'm going to do that on the other side and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so where are we? There we are. Angel Wax Exodus. You just drop some on the cloth that they give you. This is all part of it. And then it says start from the bottom up. Don't know why, but if that's what it says, then that's what we'll do. Says give this 2 hours. Once you put it on, give it a couple of minutes to flash off and go over it with a nice clean cloth, and it takes about 2 hours to fully cure. Apparently. I'll squash a bug on there, do I? After all this. Right, let's go and get a cloth to buff that off. About 2 minutes later. Good enough for the girls I go with. That feels lovely and smooth, clean, not gripping at all. So, like I said earlier, it says 2 years, but with wipers, I mean, it doesn't mean anything. I mean, I might only do 5,000 miles a year. Someone else might do 25,000 miles a year. So I don't think 2 years is anything. I think basically what it's saying is it's durable. I think that's what you can take from that. That's what I'm taking from it anyway. Right, I think, Martin, you've finished one side. Right, I'll now go over and do the other side, and then we'll catch up. Okay, so there we go. This video is very much like me, short and sweet. So where are we? Get it right, Martin. Glass has been polished. First of all, I did a decon wash and clayed it and iron fall out, give it a good rinse, give it a good wash, and then I put the polish on and then cleaned the glass and put the coating on. Now, like I said before, I'll put a link in the video below so you can see how John cleans the glass, because it's bound to be better than me. Like I said, I don't do how-to videos, I just do this is what I'm up to videos. Right, so I'll leave you there, and I'll keep you updated on what I think of the coating and how long it lasts, and whether I get blade judder, windscreen blade judder or whatever. I'll let you know in a couple of videos time what I think of it. So until next time, I really hope that's been of some use to you guys, even if it's just for entertainment purposes, even if this is how you don't do it. But until next time, you guys take care. Bye bye.